All right, Marshall's ready, drivers ready. 5 minutes, A-Main, Novak Bowl drive, open truck. 5 minutes on the horn. Wow, Alex, flying out there, picture right behind it. Oh, that there is having trouble over the right hand. Big air. Wow. Huge air. Looks like it's looking to be picture in one. So it's two. Picture flying out there. We got Castellini in 3. We got Wilder Jr. and Anderson going nuts out there. We got Fisher creating some space between second place, between him and second place Galinsky. Castellini, Castellini. Short end of the 6 in the back of the madness turn. We got nice. Coming up on the back we got Fisher head down that straightaway now. That straight with the big up on it. Fisher is in the lead. He's in the blue and yellow. Head by the driver's stand right now. Galinsky in 2. Galinsky past the board right in the driver's stand. That's going to set it back a little bit more. Fisher gets some more room. Now he's coming up on the back of Aaron Wilson. He's coming up on the back of Wilson. Look out, people. Look out. Anderson. Some huge arrows there. A little sideways. Caught up in the net. Meanwhile, it's Fisher. Galinsky going to be coming up on the back of Wilson. Wilson is in 8. Galinsky is in 2. We got Grabowski in 3 and then Castellini. Now it looks like he went down Castellini and Grabowski. 3rd and 4th. Right over the line. Now we got Jr. We got Mike Wilder Jr. 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Heading down the back straight away right now over the captain. So 3rd, 4th, and 5th right there. Meanwhile, back up front. We got Galinsky. He's trying to make up some time on we had Fisher with a 16.9. We had Galinsky with a 16.4. We had Jr. with a 16.1. Something happened on the big jump by Mitchell. Looks like Fisher. Something happened. Allison Fisher, they might have bumped in the air. I didn't see it. Fisher is in the lead. Galinsky in 2. By the madness sign over by the front of the wall. That's 1 and 2, 1 and 2 right there. Mitchell down on the back straight away over the big jump. 1 and 2. Meanwhile, back to back. We have 3, 4, and 5. Heading by the front of the wall now. Jr. Grabowski and Junior Grabowski and Anderson now. Anderson! No, Anderson is someone. Anderson's actually comes out. We got Castellini, meanwhile up front. Alex, tap the board, 2nd place, tap the board, give some more room. We got 3 minutes down, 2 to go. 3 minutes down, 2 to go. Locking happen in 2 minutes. Locking happen. We got Fisher. Got the room out there. He's coming up on the last track. Coming up on the back. Grabowski and Jr. Those two are fighting for position. So they're going to let Fisher by too easy. They're fighting for position. Anderson is in 7. They're fighting for position. 5, 6, and 7. Right down by the front wall. 5, 6, and 7. Castellini, meanwhile, is in 4. That battery. That battery is now making ground on Alex Galinsky. There's Jack Barry with 16.5 second lap. Galinsky with 19.2. 16.2. By the burnout block. Let's get the Galinsky room. There's something happened to Galinsky. We got 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Billy's putting the field a lot down. He's trying to give Junior and Grabowski and Anderson room to work because those guys aren't fighting for position. And then Grabowski's trying to catch Castellini. He's not too far behind. Could do it with 45 seconds to go. You have Billy Fisher still in the lead. Galinsky still in 2. This little curly off the double. We have Castellini in 3, Grabowski 4, Harry in 5, Junior in 6, and Anderson in 7. Castellini and Grabowski, 3 and 4, heading down the back straight away on the captain jump right now. 20 seconds remaining, 20 seconds. Meanwhile, Galinsky still trying to catch Fisher, and Fisher's got to deal with some traffic. Caught up in the netting. Left a good air, but caught up in the netting. Didn't pay off.